Hello friends, I am going to unbox my Sony FDR AX 43A Handycam. The pack consists of the camera box and a bag for the camera. Here is a handy bag to carry the Handycam. Inside the box there is an instruction manual, a warranty card. Here comes the main Handycam. It is very handy and lightweight. This is the power cable. This is the HDMI cable. The AC adapter and DC plug. And this is the micro USB cable. This is the rechargeable battery. The Handycam bag is also very handy. A 64GB Sony original memory card is also provided. Let's go for a zoom test. Let's do some bird videography with this Handycam. If properly focused, it gives crystal clear video. Put your comments on how did you like this video.